आज तो अखिलेश भाई से मिलना बहुत खूब किस्मत है। तो तू ठीक है?
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। हाँ जी, क्या हालचाल, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सभी लोग ठीक होंगे, और नहीं हो तो मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि आप ठीक हो जाओगे जल्दी। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि मैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में रह रहा हूँ, और आज ना मेरे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा दिन है। संडे मॉर्निंग सुबह 12 बज रहे हैं लगभग, और आज ना मैं किसी बहुत ही ख़ास दोस्त से मिलने जा रहा हूँ। वो दोस्त एक्चुअली वो अमेरिकन है, और उससे मैं पहली बार 17 जून 2015 में मिला था, 2015। फाइनली अब 6 साल के बाद मैं उससे मिलने जा रहा हूँ। और आपको लग रहा होगा कि मुझे ये डेट क्यों याद है, 17 जून 2015। एक्चुअली ना बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी हुई थी, मैं बताता हूँ आपको। हम लोग ना, मैं ज़िंदगी में पहली बार ट्रिप पर गया था दीर, हिमाचल प्रदेश। एंड हम लोग ना सेम इंस्टीट्यूट में थे, तो ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम था, सुबह 7 बज रहे थे। तो हम लोग बैठे उस टेबल पे, और वो देख के मुझे स्माइल कर रहे थे, और मैं उस समय बहुत ही स्ट्रगल कर रहा था अपनी इंग्लिश के साथ। तो हाय हेलो हुई, और मैं एक सेंटेंस बना ही रहा था अपने मन के अंदर। इतने में वो बोलते हैं, आप कैसे हो? मैं कहा, आपको हिंदी कैसे आती है? मैं बड़ा सरप्राइज़ हुआ। तब उन्होंने अपनी स्टोरी बताई कि वो इंडिया में पिछले 2 साल से रह रहे थे, बहुत डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस कर रहे हैं। तो वो जो स्टोरी थी ना, मेरे लिए, मैं इतना स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए, और उनके पास ऑलरेडी मतलब उनको हिंदी आती है। तो इस तरह से वो मेमोरी बड़ी यादगार बन गई, और फिर हम बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त बन गए। तब से हम लोग बहुत ही कनेक्टेड है, एक दूसरे से बातें भी करते हैं। और फाइनली वो आज भी वाशिंगटन के पास में आए हुए हैं किसी काम से, तो मैं भी यहीं पास में हूँ वाशिंगटन में। तो हम लोग आज ओल्ड टाउन किंग स्ट्रीट में मिलने वाले हैं। लेट्स सी हमारा कैसा मीटअप होता है, और मैं आपको बताऊंगा बहुत सारी कहानियाँ। तब तक के लिए जुड़े रहें और साथ में चलते रहें मेरे साथ। फाइनली मैं ओल्ड टाउन किंग स्ट्रीट मेट्रो स्टेशन पहुंच गया हूँ। बड़ा ही खूबसूरत नज़ारा है। संडे है, लोग नहीं है ज़्यादा। मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर सेलिब्रेटिंग थैंक्सगिविंग, तो शायद कोई ना कोई कहीं ना कहीं गया है, और मैं अभी यहाँ पर मैं अपने फ्रेंड के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ। लेट्स वेट फॉर हिम। ये टाउन जो है बहुत ही फेमस है। किसी दिन डिटेल में अच्छे से ब्लॉग बनाकर मैं आपको इसकी हिस्ट्री और इसके फेमस चीज़ों के बारे में बताऊंगा। पर बेसिक में आपको बता देता हूँ, ये 18th सेंचुरी का इस्टेब्लिश सिटी है, टाउन है। और इसकी ना बहुत सबसे ख़ास बात क्या है कि इस साइड इधर वर्जीनिया है, और इधर ना बगल में एक रिवर है। रिवर के उस पार ये मैरीलैंड है। तो मैरीलैंड एक दूसरा स्टेट है, और यहाँ पर ये वर्जीनिया एक दूसरा स्टेट है। और पास में ही उसकी दूसरी तरफ भी वाशिंगटन डीसी है। तो बहुत ही फेमस जगह है, बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं। और द रिवर इज़ रियली नाइस, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा, वहाँ पर सुकून मिलेगा। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पर, आपको बताऊँगा किसी दिन डिटेल में। आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर हिम। So finally he arrived. Let me see.
I'm so happy to.
Thank you very much, Michael. You wanna say something in Hindi? Can you say something?
आज तो अखिलेश भाई से मिलना बहुत खूब किस्मत है।
Thank you very much. Seems like you forget Hindi. You remember the first time when we met, you said, "आप कैसे हो?" So cool, so cool.
तो तू ठीक है?
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। So happy. In Arlington, I went in one building that is called Lee Meridian. Actually, that was a hotel, like halfway hotel. and half like top of the park that was a residency. So we went to one of our mentor's house. He lives there.
Ah, okay,
so
cool.
yeah, that is how I landed up going there.
That's the place you guys went to on the boat over there, right?
Yeah, the other side, like we went. So basically, we took a taxi from there
Yeah.
and say hi.
Hi.
So we took a taxi from there, and the taxi actually they will give you a tour of the places, different places. And first we went to Washington DC through the taxi, and later we came here and we just went to the other timing, you know, like. So basically we went from here 1:30, and the different boat was coming from there, from Washington DC. That was at like 3 o'clock. So we had plenty of time to visit Washington DC, and again we came back.
So the dock must have been either in Georgetown or I guess in like the, what is it called? What, harbor, like Marina.
Harbor.
Yeah.
That is harbor.
That's what. But in DC, I'm guessing also.
There's a one place I don't know what the place
Yeah,
is. You know, in the Indian bad joke, I sold my kidney and bought this iPhone.
I hope it's not true.
Yeah, so basically, it's my investment. You know, like I'm just trying to being blogger, and I believe I can be blogger. So yeah, this is one of my investments.
How do you become? How do you learn to be a blogger? I mean, you have to.
I mean, I identify my 3 strengths, which is matching. Like, first, I'm a very talkative person. Second, I like listening people. Third is I like photography and videography. So these 3 things, which you know, if I combine them, it becomes like a part of a blog, like videography, just traveling. And I like traveling as well. So whenever I'm traveling, I'm just trying to, you know, listen people, listen the stories, and capture the best moment. So that is how I believe I can be a good blogger. Yeah. This side, this is Virginia, right? And when you cross this Potomac River, that becomes Maryland.
I suppose, yeah, that's Maryland, yeah.
Uh-huh.
And DC is there too somewhere. Actually, the water, you know, the DC limit, the border with Maryland, is where the water ends. So the minute you stuck your foot in the water, you're not in Virginia. We're not in Virginia.
Wow.
We're in, I guess, DC. Maybe the
Yeah, that's what confuses me. Like with that side, the difference with Maryland, right? But DC, where it comes, it's I think it's a particular city, right?
Yeah. So like I went yesterday. I had to go to Tyson's from Arlington, and I got on the metro, and I didn't realize I was not on the right train. So all of a sudden, I'm in DC. I wasn't planning on it, and I'm in a different state. Oh, I have to change trains and come back to the state I was in.
Wow. So was it like good experience?
Oh yeah. Hey, I hadn't been to Tyson's. They built a new shopping mall over there
Right.
since last time I was here. Tyson's Corner Center.
Only for the people, the Korean people. Wherever she looks. Cross New York.
In one of the towers and looking down. Yeah, it's fabulous. I love it. And as you can see, I love to travel.
Yeah, I
This is
see.
Iceland, Mexico. This is Florida. This is actually DC. I have Italy over here, Paris. I love it.
Wow.
It's fun.
So I also do photography, but
Oh, yeah?
most of the time I do like nature photography.
Uh-huh.
But still, I have a
a little bit
question.
of that.
I still have a question. Like, what do you think when you click a picture? Like, what is in your head? Like,
I mean, for me, I'm always thinking about what am I going to do with the picture when I'm editing it, because I like color. So I always know, okay, I'm going to like amp up the color, and I'm always just thinking about what do I want to include, what's telling the story, because I think a lot of my work tells a story. I think that's actually, I'm a communicator at heart.
Yeah.
And I don't know. I just
So you communicate through your pictures,
I
right?
think so. Yeah. I was a
Perfect.
graphic designer for a long time, and so I think like that's just who I am as an artist. Is I want to tell a story to people, you know.
Wow.
So a lot of times I take pictures of doors, and I think the reason why is because it's about the people behind them, kind of, you know. Like there's a mystery, you know.
Houseboats like this.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really a different way to live.
Yeah.
Floating house. But they're actually like whole neighborhoods on the waterfront, on the water, whole neighborhood of
Wow.
one after another. These houseboats. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
I've never-
So Michael, have you been to any different country rather than India?
You know, like Bangladesh.
Bangladesh? Oh, how long did you go?
I've been to 40 countries, but
40 countries. Wow, you are such a traveler, man. I still have it in my bucket list. Like I have to visit some of the countries.
yeah, as a young man, my parents, you know, they financed my traveling, my backpacking trips.
Wow.
Yeah.
So cool. I'm here in United States. You know, it's just unbelievable for me. Place. Oh, by the way, I really like this town. You know, because of the building and structure, and it's amazing.
In Danish, like hygge, like this HYGGE, like means like being cozy.
Okay.
Basically, in the winter time, spending time indoors with a cup of tea, with your friends, playing games, having a fire. It's all, you know, being warm and cozy through the dark, cold winter. So Portland is like really expert in this thing because the weather in winter there is like as good as it gets. It's always dark in the winter. So all of these like so many stores for all the people there doing crafting, makers, people like making things by hand, local things, not rather than bringing them from China. And this thing, this maker, this culture of Portland is so popular, is so good.
So this is Chipotle, right? They have different varieties of food.
But only this is actually Chipotle because you will not find any Chipotle here, but in this you will find.
Wow. Yeah.
All like these, you know, white Anglo president types, like powerful people. But in their sanctuary, you will find on the altar they have got like Bhagavad Gita and like Bible.
So this is a metro station finally.
Yeah. Catch up.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So happy to see you, Michael. So happy. Bye.
See you next time.
Yeah. It was a really nice day today. You know, we
Yeah.
visited different places.
Yeah.
So
I wish
enjoying.
it was more sunny.
Yeah. True.
So
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Bye.
stay warm.
Yeah, thank you. It was so nice to see him. I just dropped in at I just walked with him till the metro station, and now I'm gonna take my own bus and go head back to my home. But yeah, it was a really nice day. We enjoyed a lot. We ate Chipotle. In the restaurant at Chipotle. Wow, so nice. I'm so happy to meet him like after 6 years. Alright, so that was my part of journey. Thank you very much. See you guys.